Hey, South Georgia, quick update on Hurricane Helene and how it's impacting high school football this week. Many of the games have been moved to Wednesday. They will not be played on Friday, with schools being shut down Thursday and Friday. Be sure to head to WALB.com. We have a complete list of all of the games that have been rescheduled for today, for Saturday, as well as next Monday, and then some that have been postponed or canceled due to the hurricane and the tropical storm that's coming through Southwest Georgia. Make sure that you download our app and, of course, those push notifications so you can be updated as those things change. We will keep you updated. And as of right now, we have a complete locker room report scheduled for Friday. But if anything changes, of course, we will let you know that as well. So head to WALB.com for all of the latest on Hurricane Helene and the impact to Southwest Georgia football.